My project kind of consisted of a full remodel of a home that my daughter and I had lived in for 2 years out on Isle of Palms, built in the 50s. And we started to seek out, someone to help us kind of formulate and put our dreams, so to speak, and execute them. As we're going through the design process with the team, I needed a lot of assistance there. It's not something that I do every day, not my forte. So to be part of that drawing as it's actually happening, laying drawings over top of the other, trying different things, and helping me to be able to visualize it, because that's something hard for someone that doesn't do that every day and that's not their profession, was just incredibly valuable. The quality of the plans that we got from Coastal Creek were exceptional. We sat down and took the time to really think it out. And so it was really, the builder had more of a perfect world of just execution of what had already been done, because the foundation work had been completed properly. So whenever you have a package deal, so to speak, where we're putting together the engineer, the architect, and even great communication with the contractors, that's where you feel like things just don't fall through the cracks. And one person communicates very easily with the other, and ultimately that's what saves you time and saves you money. In my case, they gave me kind of two options. They said, well, here's what, if you want to do everything we talked about, or we could step it back here. That gave me the ability to make the decision to move forward with ultimately what was the more expensive vision, because they were able to show me where that value was going to be. And ultimately I ended up with a project with a great deal of built-in equity that will serve me well in the future. If I were talking to a client or friend or family member about doing any project similar to like the project that I just completed, I would absolutely refer them to Coastal Creek Design. One reason that I can confidently say that is because in my industry, I hear nightmare stories all the time. And so I was somewhat expecting to have, not a bad experience, but I was expecting the worst. And ultimately, I've not had that experience at all. And so that's why I would absolutely refer them.